What up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm filming this video in the same video that I filmed my the C8 Z06. Ignore the washing machines. These are actually the parts room because I got parts right here. Fuel run hat looks really 9th annual fuel run Monterey Car Week 2021. But the C8 Z06 just unveiled 2023. Badass car, sick car. Numbers are insane. I think they killed it with it. Everything they had not necessarily fixed, but to improve on, they did. And that's pretty cool. It's the video gonna be before this video, because I'm posting this video after that. So, a couple of announcements or updates. I'm gonna be in Las Vegas for Gold Rush Rally movie that owns Fuel Run too, for NSEMA. What is it? November 3rd. So I'm gonna leave from here and go for a couple of days to Vegas. But the wing, my wing is right here, and the side skirt, the side skirts will be installing soon, and I think we'll do an unboxing. But let me show you guys the upright, and this is gonna be a full Corvette update. I put this damn tape on it to hold it. I'll need another tape anyways. This is not holding well. So this is the, I know, unboxing, right? It's really exciting. It's just like so exciting when you get new stuff. Alright, these are the wing uprights. Check this out. So sick, so cool. Aluminum, and that's how they're gonna mount on the car. Anyway, put this back right here. I'm gonna do an unboxing on the wing. Side skirts are wrapped. I don't want to unbox them, but I'll show you guys when they get on the car. But the wing we can open in another video. But check this out. I've got my Corvette right here, and it's on the battery tender. Thank you to Black & Decker. See, keeping it fully charged because I drive it like once a week, maybe twice a week. Okay, so what do we got here? We've got the front splitter is on, looking very, very, very amazing on the car. A lot of people have said it looks it should have came from GM. You know, it's like the car. Yeah, like I know they had the technology back in the day. I just don't know why they didn't put side skirts and splitters like the C7s. Even C6s didn't have it. Other than the C6 ZR1, that is a different story. $100,000+ car. Looks very original. It looks very from the factory-ish, and I like it. It just looks very clean. You check this out. Tell me this doesn't look good. And oh my God, this is where look how this is like 2 inches, 2.5 inches. That it's just below the bumper. So this is how much we're looking. I don't know how much is this. I'm gonna have to measure it, but this is how much. And I already got like a rock chip here, but that's okay. We're gonna wrap it. I'm gonna clear broad anyways. So people ask me if I'm gonna like lower it. I don't think so. It's sitting in California. Before I put the front splitter on, which it looks really dope, I was scraping the front air dam everywhere in California. So I just cannot wrap my hand around and imagine. I don't know, maybe half an inch, maybe, so we can just close a little bit of this gap. But we'll see. Let me uncover the car first. Let's uncover the car. Oh, by the way, this was cracked, so now brand spanking a new mirror. The last 2 times I tried to film this, it broke on me, so I didn't film it this time. I just did it on my own, and it didn't break. But it's pretty simple. Like, you just, there is a YouTube video. There's not actually a lot of YouTube videos out there to drive without the mirror looking down, and I cannot see when I change lanes, and it's very, very annoying. But what I like about my antenna here is I can just unscrew this and lay it down, so when I cover it, it can get covered. Again, I don't know if it's gonna work. The guy said, I went to 4-wheel parts. The guy said we need a radio, race radio, because this is not a CB, so I don't even know. This is just for looks right now. Anyways, What else? Corvette update. I just hit. Let me put up the screen so I can see myself. I just hit 10,000 miles. I got the car in February. I gotta double check when I got it, but I got it February, March of this year, and we are in. Let's just say we're in November, so March, April, May, June, July, August, September, November. So 8 months, 8 full months, 10,000 miles. Other than the clutch master cylinder, I would not say failed. It got worn out after 20 years of using. Rock solid, like no issues at all. I'll pop the hood right here in 1 second. Hold on. Like the interior looks very brand new still after 20 years and after all the abuse I give her. But you guys know I always use GM OEM parts in my car, and I don't thank you for the train. I don't let it need anything. Check this out. I just hit the seats. Look at the seats. I just hit them with, look at this. They look absolutely brand. And actually wow. So I opened it 2 days ago. This was like oiled and like, this is sick. I like that. You put the, I will show you guys what I put on. This is actually way better, way cleaner. Wow. I've put on it before, but it's not like this. Maybe I put the right amount this time. This actually, no joke, like no bullshit, this feels good. And it looks like brand new. Alright, clean under here. I cleaned up the car. That's the dash. What else you guys want to see? Very clean from the inside. As I keep my cars, under the hood, when I got the car, people asked me, it was this clean. I did not have to do much. Some people, they crack these. Mine is, you can see, this is brand new, and I always dust it, and I don't leave anything here, because look how clean is this. People put under trees and everything, you know. I'm like anal about my stuff, so I don't like it. It's gotta be like really clean. So the brake fluid reservoir, this gets yellow, right? And this, so other than that, everything is, this doesn't look newer than this. Even the hood liner, this got yellow, so I replaced it. It was not cracked or anything, it just was yellowish. It wasn't even honestly that bad, but I just replaced it and it looks brand new. I did a video on that. This was also yellowish, and the clutch master cylinder went. I did not even care about this, but I replaced it obviously because it's part of the assembly and it's a brand new set. The plastics, they look white, so it just makes the whole under the hood looks brand new. I'm gonna polish this and polish this so they look also a little bit newer. That's what I still got to do. Cleaned up the air filter on it, did an oil change, fresh fluids. I just got to change the coolant now. I changed my transmission fluid and the differential, but I got to do the coolant. LED lights obviously all around the car. Let's pop the trunk, show you what you guys in the trunk. Oh, some people lose these. Thank you to my buddy Danny, gave me one of those because mine fell and I got a brand new one. Well, I got a jacket in here in case if it gets cold, but it's still a little bit warm. Like right now, even if I want to take the top off to the car show, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Sun visor, and this is sun visor from like Corvette. See, this is like $100, but it came with my last car. Got a chair for the car shows. You got to have the detailing products, and I got a little mat, so underneath here it always stays clean. Sunshade came with the car. Some of them falling apart. By the way, if you need a new one of these, I got brand new, like very lightly used sunshade for sale. So comment below, hit me up. I don't ship, just locally in Phoenix, Arizona. Brand new one of these. And I actually will do you know what, we'll do I have parts for sale. I will actually talk about them in the end of this video. But American flag, bald eagle, just walking around the car. I know you should not be closing it from here, but I do it anyways. Oh, by the way, if you guys haven't, please go ahead and go follow me on Instagram. We're going on Gumball. We'll talk about that later. Gumball 3000, biggest rally in the world. But everything first I post on Instagram. Any fast or quick updates. I will need also a new wipers. And by the way, I keep this clean. Let me go. Let me go show you guys what I use on the shelf right here. So excuse me. So I use this on the rubber. See, it says right here, vinyl plastic rubber. Shout out to Chemical Guys. Not sponsored, but I like their stuff. Chemical Guys and Adams. See, I use Adams and Chemical Guys. And griots. These are the best top 3 detailing products out there. I don't buy from Walmart. Well, you can buy them from Walmart, but I just don't buy Walmart stuff. I don't know. I've tried thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. I hope the camera wasn't like this. Thousands of dollars in detailing products, and I just don't, you know. People ask me all the time, what do you use? Well, I just tried so many that I know which one is my favorite now, which is cool. I got these pads. Excuse if the camera was like this, that's embarrassing. I don't want to redo the shot or redo the video or that section of the video. What else? That's the leather conditioner. You can pick it up from Walmart. See, leather conditioner, Chemical Guys. And the VRP, that's the one that keeps my tires looking good. And the windshield, what do you call it? The cowl. There we go. This is to clean my engine bay. I use a little bit of a glass cleaner mixed with water and microfiber towels. That's how I keep my engine clean, and that's how is the secret. Griot's car wash, this one. I'll talk more about my car, but let me show you guys the parts I've got for sale over here. If anyone's interested, I wanted to promote these for a very long time. They're on offer up. But this is from my last vet. I got these two, you know, the storage compartments in the trunk. I got those. I've got fuel rail covers for 2001 and up. What else I've got? I've got a, you know what, I'm gonna put a screenshot of my, rather than going through all of these. Let me close this really quick. Bam, there we go. I'm gonna put a screenshot of what is the items for sale and the prices at the end of the video, so you guys can check them out. Build my dream project Corvette, inspired by obviously the race car from the C5R race car, the 24 of Le Mans, and the yellow one, you know, the C5R, and Rob Ferretti, obviously. Super Speeders Rob, my friend. Student driver Corvette. I call mine student driver Corvette too, because it's just awesome, you know. Like, that car is just so legendary and made me buy my car. Other than this, because I'm wanting to see even adventure drives, which hopefully adventure drives be in the US. They do like only 1 or 2 in the US the whole year. It's like only 1 or 2 and the rest in Europe. And I'm probably gonna film another video tomorrow or Sunday on the parts inside the car. I'm gonna film actually a mod list. There you go. This is just a general Corvette update. Car runs great. I got the oil change at Sans Chevrolet. I actually went underneath and they let me, because I only let one person touch the car there. Shout out to him, he knows who he is, if he's watching this video. And I inspected it myself. 0 leaks, runs great. That's it. I'm gonna do a mod list what I have so far in the car in the next video, so stay tuned. Please subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you know when I drop a new video. And I'm kind of in a hurry now because I'm like, gotta leave to the car show so we can get a spot. Other than that, that's it. That's all I got. That's the end of this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.